Hey guys, what's good? I'm Praveen and this is Mac from BodyProCoach Nutrition or Fitness. We have got all those reasons to make you look really lean, at the same time make you eat some amazing food.
Today we are going to be doing a keto walnut brownie for you.
Let's go!
1 whole avocado, to that I'm adding 2 whole eggs, $60 grams almond flour, $40 grams stevia powder, 30 grams unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 pinch pink salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Lastly, you can add, optional is xanthan gum or half teaspoon baking soda. Now to the 50 grams choco chips, dark chocolate chips. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon coconut oil and I'm going to melt the same in microwave. Lastly, I'm going to add the melted chocolate into the blender and give it a nice whip once again. Lastly, I'm going to add about 25 grams of walnut.
45.
I'm going to put that on top. Now I'm going to pour the mixture in the baking dish. Now before I bake the same, because it's a walnut brownie, I'm going to add some walnut to it. And it's good to go to bake.
Oh no.
We're going to bake the same for next 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. There we go. And a healthy brownie is ready.
Go.
So I have melted some choco chips and I've added like half a teaspoon of stevia. Now I'm gonna dress it up slightly, that's option. You can choose to do this. And our brownie is ready. Now we're gonna cut this in. So our healthy keto walnut brownie is ready.
And look who is here to taste it. Can I say hi to them?
Hi.
Okay, you can eat it, okay?
Okay, Kiara, a big bite.
कैसे लगा?
How is it?
अच्छा.
कैसे लगा?
Yummy. Okay, Kiara says it's yummy. The benefits of keto walnut brownie is that it's loaded with essential good fats. It's really healthy and it keeps you in state of ketosis because we're using almond flour as the source. Like I said in my earlier videos, you have to use only moderation of it. So probably a small piece of brownie with 1 mug of green tea should be a really nice snack for you.
Alright guys, so that's a great reason to eat all these things because it's going to put you into ketosis much more faster. Alright, so being said that, you want to make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell icon that you always get to know about our new videos. And that are the few things that you need to keep yourself in really fit situation. That are information, that are videos and recipes, and of course some great moments how to do exercise. So go out there and enjoy all the videos that we have on the playlist. We will see you soon in the next video.
And like Kiara says, please give us a thumbs up and share that video with everybody.
Yay!
Thank you.
See you guys.